Bird Dog Pumpkin Spice Whiskey, 35%, 70 proof. It smells like pumpkin spice. I've always kind of written off pumpkin spice things, but I'm starting to learn. I do like cocktails with pumpkin spice in it. That's actually really good. It's not like heavy on the pumpkin spice. I mean, it's definitely there. It's not slap you in the face with pumpkin. It's actually really good. So if you find it, check that one out. Even if you don't think you like pumpkin spice, give it a chance and let me know what we can mix this with in the comments. Cheers.